Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to navigate Wix, a popular website builder. Let's begin. Navigating Wix involves understanding its interface and using its features to build and customize a website. Once you visit the Wix.com, you need to log into your account. Okay? If you haven't already, this is the perfect time for you to sign up to a free account in Wix. All you have to do is provide the business or working email. You can also choose to use your Google account or your Facebook. And from signing up, you would be receiving an email confirmation from the email that you used to complete the registration. After that, you will be directed to your dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your site, like settings, analytics, and site publishing. You see that? So we have so many Wix tutorials for you to check out in our Deep Labs YouTube channel. Now, if you have multiple websites, click on the site you want to work on. If you haven't already, just click on the create a new site. These are going to be some of the options. You can use a studio template, a studio blank canvas, a studio template marketplace. You can also use the Wix editor or use your own template. Let's look on the studio template for now. So we're not going to build anything from scratch. So these are going to be some of your options. These are some of the responsive templates that you can choose. Stick around. If you wanted to test waters and gauge if this is going to be the website for you, you have the option to click on view. What will happen is you would be forwarded here in the section. You can see the mobile responsiveness by checking on the desktop version, the tablet version right here, and the mobile version as well. Now, if you feel like this is going to be the site that you're comfortable in starting your design or your website design, click on the edit template on the upper right corner so you can access the Wix editor, which is going to be the design interface. Now it's loading up for you, just wait for it. Once it's loaded, you would notice that the editor has three main areas. The left panel contains tools for adding elements, managing pages, site settings, media, and more. The center is going to be the main canvas. All right, this is going to be the visual workspace where you design site by dragging and dropping the elements on the left side. On the top bar are like options like undo, redo, site preview for desktop, tablet, and mobile, and publishing options on the upper right corner. You see, these are going to be some of your options. Now, on the left side, let's check on the add elements. All right, if you click on the plus button icon on the left panel, you see the elements you can add. You can have like text, paragraph, images, buttons, container, or video. Now, let's try to drag an element here on the side. That's going to be the video. All right, so you see, you have multiple options on editing the video. You can change the video if you wanted. You can play. You can change the video if right here. If you click that, you have multiple options. You can choose the media from Wix. These are some of the free. You can explore professionally made videos for the site. If you wanted more control and dynamics, you can use the Shutterstock. But the thing is, it requires pro subscription or premium subscription because they come at a special price, right? They also have the AI image creator. For example, type in to describe your image and create an image. Let's see what we got here. You see that? You can use this image, or if you want, you can use this. But let's skip that. And we're going to choose a media from Wix here on the free ones. Say the jellyfish. Click on update, and the video will be updated here on the bottom. I'm gonna drag the elements so it's not obstructing any view. All right, and of course these texts you can basically edit them. All right, if you double click, you have the option to edit. All right, so this is going to be that. You can change the media if you want it. And again, on the left side, you can add more media as you go along the way. If I click on the media again, I'm going to upload a certain media. Uploading has these options. You can upload from your computer, from your Wix account, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, and a lot more. I'm going to use the computer. Wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, you can basically add it to the page. Alright, so that's that. We already have the image here. I'm gonna drag the text down here. Right, so it's not obstructing anything. So we have that. Now on the left side again, you have all the site styles and the pages. You have the home menu, the accessibility, and if you wanted to add another page, for example, if you wanted to add a blog, you can also put that here. So you have the option to put a blog designed here. Now on the app market, this is if you wanted to add third-party integrations for your website. All right, you have all of these: image slider, map and store locator, online store, Ecwid, Rabbit SEO, traffic booster, which is if you wanted to add new pages, set their SEO settings, you might want to add this Rabbit SEO to boost your website. So these are some of the business solutions that you can choose from in order for you to have a dynamic website as you go along. You can also add design elements if you wanted. So you can change the overall design of your site by clicking the design from the left panel here. You see that? All right. And you can use the background option to change the background of the page. Once you are happy with that, all you have to do is hover back again to the home page to see how it looks like. Check the tablet version, the mobile version, and if you think this is going to be it, click on the publish. All right. Now you have two options. You can choose a domain before you publish, or you can connect your own customized domain. If you click on this, click on save and continue, you would be forwarded here. Now in this instance, you can type in the domain that you have in mind. For example, I'm going to be putting maybe deeplabs.com. Let's see what we got here. And type in let's go. Now it would ask you if you own this domain. If not, these are some of the great domains for suggestions. If you click on this get it, you're going to be forwarded to these two options. You can get the domain for free with a premium plan, benefit from a full suite of premium features, including this and the buy domain only. You won't be able to connect gplabs.net to your site without upgrading with a premium plan, and will pay full price for the domain. So if you feel this is going to be the option for you, click on continue, and you would be forwarded here. You can choose the Enterprise, Elite, Plus, Standard, Basic. All right, so the idea is that by familiarizing yourself with these components, you'll be able to navigate Wix smoothly and create a customized and professional looking website. Now, if you get stuck, there's going to be the Wix help and support option that provides tutorials, guides, and to the Wix Help Center. And of course, you can also find answers and tips from other Wix users in the forums. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.